Okay, so not quite a review. I kind of just have a recommendation for you. If you are in need of a pedicure and you don't want to spend the money or the time, buy this. Kerasal, I think that's how it's pronounced, Intensive Foot Repair. I got this on Amazon for like $7 and something. I'm sure they sold in some stores, but it was just easier to buy on Amazon. My awesome friend Mary told me about this a few years ago, and I just forget about it. But then I wore flip-flops the other day for the first time, and my feet were awful. But I put this on. It looks like Vaseline. It kind of feels like Vaseline, I don't know if you can see that. But I just rubbed this all over my feet and put on some socks, and the next day it was like I had a pedicure. Not that it painted my toes, but my feet were so much better. And you know, I really didn't want to do a review of this because I didn't want to show my feet, even though I've had more than a few requests to show my feet, but that's another story. Anyway, also this Nivea skin firming and toning. This stuff is awesome. It says it firms and tones skin as little as 2 weeks. I've been using it for a month. I haven't noticed any firming or toning, but what I have noticed is my skin is super soft. I use it on my thigh. It recommends your thighs, your butt, and your stomach. I've been using it on my thighs and my butt. My thighs and my butt are like super soft. I want to keep rubbing my ass or rubbing my butt because it's so soft. So it may not firm, it may not tone, but you're going to get super soft skin. I just love these two products and I wanted to share it with you.